is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well and stays. It's party time! Alright, so today is the Stray Kids reaction party time and I've chosen 4 MVs to react to. Now there were a lot of MVs to choose from, but Miro and Victory song has been the most requested by Stay, so these two I'm definitely reacting to today. And 2 other MVs that I have chosen are District 9 and Lavender. I don't know what lavender means. At first I thought it was lavender, but it says it's lavender. So I'm gonna go in order, of course, order of the date of release of these MVs. So first I'll be reacting to District 9, then Miro, then Victory Song, and then Lavender. So yes, Stays, this reaction party was long overdue. So yes, I am really stoked to react to Stray Kids because they are very talented and I absolutely I adore them. I absolutely adore them. So yes, let's start with District 9. I will put the timestamps so you can watch this either at one go or you can go to your favorite MV and then check out the reaction. So yeah, what are we even waiting for, Stays? Let's just get into it. So first reaction is District 9. This came in 2018, March 26th. Alright, let us begin this reaction party. First, I thought I should probably have some coffee or something, but then let's see. If I feel like eating something, I will probably, pause it and then go and make coffee. Alright, let us begin.
Detected in sectors 4.
Okay. Oh man.
참 말들이 많아 what 헛소리만 늘어 잔소리나 욕짓거리는 제발 그만해 죽이 되든 밥이 되든 내가 알아서 할게 사실 난 나를 몰라 답답해 연대나 매일 고민 중 해답을 줘봐도 시원한 대답 좀 못하면 제발 가서 좀 봐 please 여기는 우리 정글이지 이 안에서 우리를 데려 움직인 내국 District 9 싹 다 뒤집어
Okay, Stays. Oh my god, I'm just gonna jump. Fair warning, because if I love something, I really, jump around and express myself. So this, I'm already feeling that this is gonna be a very hyper reaction. Firstly, they look so different. I could barely recognize Bangchan over there. Oh my god. And here, just look at the beat
부정적인 시선 집어치워 뱉고 그건 잘못됐어 나는 나를 잘 모르는데 네가 나를 아는데 심하네
I can barely recognize him.
Get out of here 느낌이 자리 없어 District 9
I am so glad I chose the song. Oh man, because except Miro and Victory Song that I knew I had to react to, but the rest too, I just this was a complete random selection. Oh man, I'm so happy. This beat drop is something else, man, and they look so they are sort of prisoners. But of course they're saying, please, get out of this area. This is ours. We follow our rules and stuff like that. So interesting. They're getting scanned and stuff. I swear they are unrecognizable in this. They look so different. Damn. Okay.
Stray kids everywhere all around the world. 떠들지들 말고 여기로 찾아오렴. Stray kids everywhere all around the world.
Yes.
점점 커져가는 그들의 발걸음.
Their footsteps are getting louder. I love it.
시선들을 바꾼다는 건 쉽지 않아 문제 뿌리 풀리지 않는 노예와 편견들의 뿌리 죽을 수는 없지 우리가 누구인가를 증명하는 게 우리들의 임무지 그들은 말해 너네 나랑 다르니까 여길 떠나죠 근데 다르다는 말은 틀린 게 아니란 것만은 알아줘 그 시기만 하는 시기 우리 위친 작은 빛이 그게 비치는 디스트릭 아홉으로 시작해 끝은 아마 모두의 아직 싹다 뒤집어 다 뒤집어 부정적인 시선 집어치워 back up 걔가 잘못됐어 나는 나를 잘 모르는데 왜 네가 나를 아는데 지 말해 Get lost 여긴 우리 구역 Get out of here 여긴 이 자리는 없어
Can I just say, I just want to say it before I forget. Because I say it every time, but I'm going to say it again because I totally appreciate them. Lee Han is one of the best rappers, man. He is so good. Even like Changbin's rap also I like, but Han, I don't know, man. When he raps, it's something else. Something else.
Cold up and freeze
Woo! My guys!
땀을 젖은 채 그러니 제발 립 다물고 모두 shit 진짜 내 모습이 무엇인지 찾는 중이야 땀 흘린 연습 제발 다금해
So much power.
죽도록 달렸는데 결국엔 네 그려진 표정 앞에 광대 No doubt 우리 누리 공간을 지켜
Nice. Very powerful
싹다
lyrics.
뒤집어 다 뒤집어 부정적인 시선 집어치워 back up 그건 잘못됐어 나는 나를 잘 모르는데 왜 네가 나를 아는데 지 말해 Get lost 여긴 우리 구역 Get out of here 여긴 이 자리는 없어 District 9 Better watch out 위험하니까 Better watch out 여기 우리 구역 District 9
Oh man, I am not. I think because it's District 9 because there were 9 members, that's why I'm guessing it's District 9. Whoa! Dude! Dude! Like, dude. These guys, are you seeing the power? This is 2018 mein itna power? Oh man. And their energy, like if District 9 is this now, तो their energy levels are like पता नहीं infinite चला गया है. Oh man, I love this song. It just suits. I don't know when I was listening because I think in my mind because the first time I had listened to Stray Kids was God's Menu, and God's Menu itself was such a powerful song. So I really. Like with Stray Kids in my mind, I actually, for me, they're synonymous to power-packed performers. That's how I see them. That's just how I completely see them. Because then Backdoor was also, of course, Backdoor was much more in the melodious side. But then Elevator happened, and then I saw the Kingdom performance. Oh my god! Oh. I don't know. This was fantastic. I loved it. Woo! District 9. Oh man. Oh, what a beginning, man. What a way to start the reaction with a bang. Oh man. So the next one I'm going to be reacting to is Miro. And I think this has been the most requested older track of Stray Kids for my reaction. So looking at how District 9 was, I'm even more excited to check out Miro. So yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. This is March 24th, so like just a year later because District 9 was March 23rd? March 26, 2018 and this is March 24th, 2019. So like 1 year old. So yeah, let's react to Miro. Man, don't wait. Okay. Oh my god! Oh, this is like a movie? Again, unrecognizable. So they're in the protests. They sort of blend in into the protests. Okay. Dude. Oh. Whoa.
힘들지 않아 거친 정글 속에 뛰어든 건 하니까 okay.
Really is looking so different.
Going higher down 도시 속에 빌딩들 내려보며 fly all day. 하야 저 위로 갈래. 하야 더 높이 날래. 하야 저 위로 갈래. 처음이라서 방법이 없어. 처음이라서 당구해봤어. 처음이란 게 무기가 됐어. 처음이라서 다 독 벗어도 어디 한번 깔아봐라. 결국에는 살아남아. 어떻게든 살아남아. 나는 나의 함정 따위 깔아봤자 난 더 세게 밟아. 답은 나라 모두 까고 보면 돼. Straight Kid.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This music. See what I mean? Power. That's how I just relate them. Is there any slow song of theirs? Huh? Because oh wow. And like a jungle, so that's why this little sort of jungle theme is there. So everything is, we are in a concrete jungle. Oh man, oh man, oh man.
처음이라서 방법이 없어. 처음이라서 당구해봤어. 처음이란 게 무기가 됐어. 처음이라서 다 독 벗어도 어디 한번 깔아봐라. 결국에는 살아남아. 어떻게든 살아남아. 나는 나의 함정 따위 깔아봤자 난 더 세게 밟아. 답은 나라 모두 까고 보면 돼.
And the tiger, oh sorry, the lion. That was lion's roar.
Straight Kid. 힘들지 않아 거친 정글 속에 뛰어든 건 나니까 okay. We're going higher down 도시 속에 빌딩들 내려보며 fly all day.
Can I just say, all the vocalists are so unique, and so I hear even the vocalists, the rappers are amazing in Stray Kids, but the vocalists have such a punch. Everybody, like, you know, Mino, I mean Lino, I don't know, I just call him Mino now because from the beginning I've been like calling him Mino, and I know he's changed his name, like his stage name to Lino, but for me he's Mino. And then you know, Bangchan, then you have Iron. Oh my god, their just vocals are so good. Oh my goodness, I don't know man what to say. They are so good. Are you seeing the vocals? So now they are ruling. He's a very powerful leader. Oh, the vocals.
모든 걸 시동 불 닫힌 곳을 잡고 잠시 쉴 시간 없네. 난 괜찮아 참고 계속해서 내 앞을 바라보며 뛰면 돼. Run through the middle like a beast, the beast 난 길은 다 피겨 미숙했지만 새로운 도전. I'm a big grease 내 꿈을 막는 것들을 모두 먹어치워 난 달려 내 꿈을 향한
But this is in true sense a party, huh? Reaction party, like literally.
힘들지 않아 거친 정글 속에 뛰어든 건 나니까 okay. We're going higher down 도시 속에 빌딩들 내려보며 fly.
I really like Iron's vocal range. Sojun is going to be debuting as a soloist pretty soon. I don't know. That's what I've read. But his vocals are also pretty good. Very good. Oh, this music. So they rule this city jungle. Now ab unka raj hai. Huh? Ab unka raj hai. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. I know this line. You make the strays stay, something like that. You make Stray Kids stay. Yes. That's what they say. That's what they say. Woo! Miro's, even though it's a very powerful song, the melody of the song is fantastic. I think I'm more in it for Miro. Miro is more my kind of song. Between District 9 and Miro, oh my god. They have such wonderful songs. My god, these two songs, next two songs, I'm so stoked to listen to. So here I feel in District 9, I think the rappers were shining more. But here in Miro, the vocalist, I think Bangchan had a lot of lines here. So he was really shining here. He was really shining, and he's such a good leader. He completely, I don't know, for some reason, out of all the 9, of course now 8, out of all the 8, he just, when all the 8 stand together, you know, he just gives you that leader aura for some reason. Maybe it's just me, but I feel he's a very inclusive leader, where he sort of, you know, gives freedom to everybody and to sort of, you know, extract maximum potential from all the group members. He's great, absolutely fantastic, huge respect, huge. I don't know, I have, like, because for leaders I have a very soft spot, because I know the extra amount of work and pressure that they have to go through, because they're sort of like the bridge between the company and the members. So they really have to keep that balance between the company and the members, so that both are happy. So I completely understand that, you know, you have to keep your head cool and you have to be very thick-skinned, very strong. So yes, kudos to Bangchan. So yeah, that was my reaction to Miro. And the next one, I'm gonna be moving on to the Victory song. Now this is a performance video, really not an MV. So I'm gonna get like a proper choreography of Victory song. Now this song, partly I have listened to in the Mama, when I reacted to their Mama performance. So yes, let's just get into it. This came 1 month later, April 8th. Not very late, a couple of few weeks later. So April 8th, 2019. Alright, let us react to Victory song. Oh, this is the city that they're ruling, na? After Miro. Ab inka Raj hai. Oh man, wow. Okay, let's see the choreography.
Listen to the Singjang Ga.
So this is Victory song, as in, because now they have captured, now they're ruling the city. That's why now this is like a Victory song. Something like that?
Listen to this, Singjang Ga.
Undefeated.
Listen to this Singjang Ga.
Dude, his voice modulation. Oh, the way he raps.
절대 멈출 리 없어 다 던져 I go loud 난 어차피 이기는 싸움에 덤벼 다 던져 절대 후퇴는 없어 패기와 계기로 자신감 넘쳐 다 던져 승자의 함성 Listen to this 승전 가운데 목표를 향해 질주해란 더럽히가 비상 뭐가 어떻게 아마추어
I don't understand. I just don't understand because I know they got more reach after God's Menu. Like God's Menu was the turning point in their careers. But all of these songs before God's Menu, they're fantastic. Why were they so underrated? Why? They have such a presence, man. They have such a presence. Blows my mind away. Blows my mind away.
뭐가 어떻게 다 어수워 원해도 원하면도 나침반이 뭘 뺏겨도 빨리 헷갈리 난 어디든지 다 도다리야만 성이쳐 절대 멈출 리 없어 다 던져 I go loud 난 어차피 이기는 싸움에 덤벼 다 던져 yeah. 절대 후퇴는 없어 패기와 계기로 자신감 넘쳐 다 던져 에이, 승자의 함성 oh.
Listen to this 승전
I don't know how many times Banchan has wrecked me.
에이, 분위기는 뜨겁게 내 열정을 불태워 에이, 실패를 두려워하란 말은 못 배워 넘어가지 못하는 높이는 없어 날 믿고
Amazing.
가면 돼
It's fantastic.
하나 둘씩 올라가 yeah. 승자의 함성 oh.
Listen to this 승전
Go!
This is giving me the district because I've just listened to District 9, so this is giving me the feel of District 9. This is giving me the feel of District 9. क्या बोलूं मैं I swear, like I said, it just blows my mind away just thinking that all of this is before God's Menu and they were really not that known at that point of time because they were considered underrated. God's Menu got them like a lot of success and reach. So, oh my goodness, but why? Because this is amazing, like their presence and everything is just so amazing. Oh man. And the choreography, the way they dance, the singers, the vocalists, the rappers, so freaking talented, man. So freaking talented. So just I'm feeling a little sad that, it took God's Menu, it took them to reach till God's Menu to actually, get their due credit. But it's okay, The journey is important. And I'm sure that for them, the worth was, the wait was worth it. So yes, that was Victory song. And the last song for this reaction party, out of all the reaction parties that I've done, like today's, so I am feeling tired. Because today I'm literally jumping, like all the 3 songs from start to finish, I have been just vibing to them. So yes, today is like, I feel like I'm in a party with all of you. So yes, the last song that I'm going to be reacting to is Lavender. This came also in 2019, again before God's Menu. So all these songs that I've reacted are before God's Menu. This is December 9th, 2019. And yeah, without dealing this any further, let's react to Lavender. Amazing, man. Just blowing my mind away. Oh, this is Elevator. Oh my god. This is Elevator. Lavender, Elevator. Is it connected? Because there also there was this door and this. Oh. Stays. This is a slow song? Okay, this is definitely connected to Elevator. I don't know why I feel that. Just completely reminding me of Elevator. And Up tak I was saying that okay, I think I don't know if they have any slow songs or not, but I feel this is a slow song. Oh man, yes.
두 손 꽉 널 잡았지만 품속엔 공허 한만 남은 채 헤매이다 결국 깨닫게 됐어 널 놓아야만 한다는 걸 스스로 속여가며
Are you listening to his vocals? Oh my goodness, once again. Meme is so good, man.
버텨낸 꿈을 깬 순간 쏟아져 내리는 빛이
Dude! I don't know how it's just. Oh man, again.
결국 깨닫게 됐어 널 놓아야만 한다는
Sounding so
걸
good.
스스로 속여가며 버텨낸 꿈을 깬 순간 쏟아져 내리는 빛이 느껴져 I wanna be myself I don't care 아직 낯설다 해도 Just don't care 널 벗어난 순간 내가 보여 모든 게 다 눈앞이다 이제는 알겠어 Now I know 내게 필요했던 건 나란 걸내 두 발이 가는 대로 걸어가 I feel the light I feel the light 한결같이
Stays. I have just found right now my favorite Stray Kids song. Mission complete. The search mission is over of finding my favorite Stray Kids song. It is here. It is right here.
대로 걸어가 I feel the light I feel the light 한결같이 달려가다 내 모든 걸 널 향해 있어서 내게 가까이 갈수록 점점 더 날 잃어갔어 저기나 몸 밑에 떨어진 낙엽처럼 결국 눈 속에 묻혀 짓밟힌다 해도 이제 너를 넘어서 봄을 찾아 떠나가 남겨진 감정은 부는 바람에 휘날려
Firstly, the rappers singing is just blowing my mind away because the vocal range is insane. Plus, the lyrics are fantastic. It is literally, them reflecting their pain, and it's just fantastic. It's just fantastic. This is somehow definitely connected to Elevator because Elevator lyrics are also like that. Oh man. This is my favorite song now.
꿈속에 막아뒀던 그날을 벗어난 순간 쏟아져 내리는 빛이 느껴져 I wanna be myself I don't care 아직 낯설다 해도 Just don't care 널 벗어난 순간 내가 보여 모든
More
게
finding
다
yourself.
눈앞이다 이제는 알겠어 Now I know 내게 필요했던 건 나란 걸 가는 대로 걸어가 I feel the light I feel the light 날 놓는다는 게 두려웠었지만 놓을 수밖에 없어 난
Oh.
It's all good now I wanna be myself I don't care 아직 낯설다 해도 Just don't care 너를 벗어나고서야 보여 모든 게 다 눈앞이다
So they found the light. Oh my god, the song was fantastic. The song was fantastic. I just, like I said, this is now my new favorite Stray Kids song. How? I'm sorry. Why were they called underrated? This is because God's Menu came after this. So, firstly, a big round of applause. I am so glad I chose Lavender and District 9 so randomly, and I'm so glad that I chose Lavender because how it started with District 9 and how it ended with Lavender, I just feel so, you know, when you have a great meal, you feel completely satisfied and you feel like this is the best meal you have had. I'm feeling the same thing right now after listening to all these 4 songs. That's the best way I can describe how I'm feeling right now, and especially how it ended with Lavender, because I just gravitate towards such songs. You know, the songs like Lavender, I gravitate more towards such song. So beautiful. The lyrics were so beautiful. More about, you know, finding yourself. There was pain in the lyrics, and I don't know. I just somehow felt that this was sort of, you know, Elevator was their first song, pre-debut song, and then Lavender. I don't know. It's such a contrast, and yet it just fits perfectly. Maybe it's just me. I could be completely wrong, but I just feel that both of them like are in the two ends of the same thing, both these songs. So yes, that was my reaction. I had a blast reacting to Stray Kids today. This was a complete party for me. I wish I had someone else to share my happiness with right now physically, but of course I'm sharing it with all of you right now. So yeah, that was my reaction. Guys, please do let me know, you know, your preferential song out of all these 4, at least these 4. You know, what every song sort of means to you, and which is the Stray Kids song, like which is the song of Stray Kids that got you into Stray Kids, and then eventually what became your favorite Stray Kids song. I would love to know in the comment section below. So yes, that was my reaction for today. I hope you enjoyed this reaction party with me. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, guys, and yeah, I will see you on my next video very soon. Bye bye.